Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today in grade 2 science, I have a topic of safety habits. Let's see the terms and the glance on the topics we are going to use. Accidents, mishappenings, herbals related with plants. Safety habits. Why safety is important? That's a question to us. So safety helps us avoid getting hurt and keep us healthy. So let's learn how to stay safe. So Women and Children Safety Initiative, these all are the programs that's important for us. Now safety at home. Do not touch hot stoves. Keep away from sharp objects. Always ask an adult for help with dangerous tasks. Safety at school. Walk. Don't run in hallways. Listen to your teacher. Be kind and gentle with your classmates. Safety on the playgrounds. Wait for your turn on slides and swings. Don't push on shove. Use equipments properly. Safety on road. Look both ways before crossing the street. Hold an adult's hand when crossing. Always use a seat belt in the car. Fire safety. Don't play with matchsticks or lighters. Know the fire escape plan. Stop, drop and roll if your clothes catch fire. Water safety. Never swim alone. Always wear a life jacket when on a boat. Follow the pool rules. Stranger danger. Don't talk to strangers. Never accept gifts or rides from someone you don't know. Tell an adult if a stranger approaches you. So stay safe. Remember these safety tips to keep yourself and others safe. I hope you understand all these tips. So let's begin doing some exercise here. Choose the correct answer from the given options. Which of the following traffic lights says stop? Green, red, yellow. It is stop. So it is red. Where should we run? On the road, on the roof, in the field. Very true, in the field. Which of the following is dangerous to play with? Knife, ball, doll. It's a knife. We should play on the road, in the classroom, in the park. In the park. Cross the road at the running road, zebra crossing, roundabout. At the zebra crossing, how many colors are there in the traffic light? 1, 2, 3. So how many colors are there in the traffic light? 3. Avoid playing with sharp objects, bat and ball, dolls. Obviously, sharp objects, they may have hurt us. Fill in the blanks from the clue box given. So this is my clue box. It will be better to go dash than never, late than never. We should walk on the footpath. We should not swim just after meal. We should not get into or get off dash bus, moving bus. We should not touch dash switch with wet hands, electric switch. Write true and false statement by writing T for true and F for false. So let's see the statements. We should follow safety rules everywhere. True or false? True. We should not play with toys. False. We should. We should not quarrel for our turn. True. We should not swim in the pool alone. True again. We should not play with crackers. True. Let's write few lines on safety rules. We should follow traffic rules, safety traffic rules. We should not run or play on the roads. We should never cross red lights. We should cross traffic signals only when the light is green. We should walk on the footpath. We should cross the road using the zebra crossing. We should sit properly on the moving bus. I hope you'll follow the tips properly. This is for your safety only. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment in the comment box how do you like the video.